Which one of the following two sentences is correct? Number 1, I have 3 bags. Number 2, I am having 3 bags. Pause the video and write down your answer in the comment section below. Let me give you another pair of sentences. Which one of the following two sentences is correct again? Number 1, Gideon has 3 canyons. Number 2, Gideon is having 3 canyons. Pause the video again and write down your answer in the comment section below. Okay, in the above 2 pairs of sentences, the first sentences are written in simple present tense because from the first pair of sentence, when I say I have 3 bags, the verb have is written in V1. However, in both pairs of sentences, the second sentences are written in continuous tense. When have and has are used in simple tenses, they are used as state verbs. ልብ በሉ have እና has በሲምፕል ቴንስስ እንጠቀማቸው እንደምንድን ነው የምንጠቀማቸው? እንደ state verbs ነው የምንጠቀማቸው። What are state verbs? State verbs, in other words, stative verbs ማለት ነው. They don't show actions. So, what do state verbs show? Number 1, state verbs show possession. ባለቤትነትን ያመለክታሉ. Number 2, state verbs show quality. ኳሊቲን ያሳያሉ. እንደገና number 3, state verbs show appearance. state verbs ምንን ያሳያሉ? appearanceን ያሳያሉ. And the last one is state verbs show measurement. ምንን ያሳያሉ? measurementን ወይንም ልኬትን ያሳያሉ. So, have and has, when they are used as state verbs, they show possession. ነገር ግን has እና haveን እንደ state verbs ስንጠቀማቸው ምንን ያሳዩልናል? ባለቤትነትን ወይንም ownershipን ያሳዩልናል. In addition to that, the verbs have and has can be used as dynamic verbs. So, what is a dynamic verb? As you probably know, a dynamic verb is a verb which shows an action. Dynamic verb ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? አክሽንን የሚያሳይልን ግስ በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ይባላል? ዳይናሚክ verb ይባላል። ስለዚህ hasን ወይንም haveን እንደ ዳይናሚክ verb ስንጠቀማቸው ትርጉማቸው ይለያል። ልብ በሉ when I use have and has as state verbs, their meaning can be different from when I use has and have as dynamic verbs. hasን ወይንም haveን እንደ state verb ስጠቀምባቸውና hasን ወይንም haveን እንደ dynamic verb ስጠቀምባቸው ትርጉማቸው completely የተለያየ ነው። If I use have and has as state verbs, they show possession. has እና haveን እንደ state verb ስጠቀምባቸው ባለቤትነትን ያሳያሉ። ለምሳሌ ከላይ በሰጧቸው አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ when I say I have 3 bags, that means I possess 3 bags ማለት ነው። I have 3 bags ስል 3 ቦርሳዎች አሉኝ እያልኳችሁ ነው። when I say Gideon has 3 canyons, that means Gideon ስንት ካኒየን አለው እያልኩኝ ነው? 3 ካኒየን አለው እያልኩኝ ነው ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን has and have እንደ dynamic verb ስንጠቀምባቸው ትርጉሙ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? number 1 eat ሊሆን ይችላል። number 2 drink ሊሆን ይችላል። Number 3 experience ሊሆን ይችላል። So when I say I am having 3 bags, that means I am eating 3 bags. But does that make sense? ሴንስ አይሰጥም አይደል? ስለዚህ ሃቭን በአይኤንጂ ተጠቅማችሁ ወይንም ሃቭ ላይ አይኤንጂ ጨምራችሁ ስትጠቀሟት ምን ማለት ነው? መመገብ ወይንም መብላት እንደማለት ነው። So in the first pair of sentences, the second sentence, as you can see, is written in present continuous because there is I am having 3 bags. Okay? But I am having 3 bags means I am eating 3 bags. 3 ቦርሳዎች እየበላሁ ነው ማለት ነው። ቦርሳ ደግሞ አይበላም አይደል? ስለዚህ ይሄ ሴንስ አይሰጥም ማለት ነው። In the second pair of sentence, as you can see, the second sentence is written in present continuous. That means Gideon is having 3 canyons. Gideon is having 3 canyons. That means Gideon is eating 3 canyons ማለት ነው። Gideon 3 canyons እየበላ ነው ማለት ነው። So canyon ይበላል እንዴ? አይበላም። ስለዚህ this is not acceptable. acceptable አይደለም። ስለዚህ ከዚህ ምን እንረዳለን? In English there are state verbs. In addition to that, those state verbs can be used as dynamic verbs. But when these state verbs are used as dynamic verbs, their meanings can be different from when they are used as state verbs. ስለዚህ አንዳንድ የእንግሊዘኛ ስቴት ቨርቦች እንደ ዳይናሚክ ቨርብ ስትጠቀሙባቸው ትርጉማቸው ከስቴት ቨርብ ከምትጠቀሙበት ትርጉም የተለያየ ነው። ከነዛ መካከል አንዱ ማን ነው? has እና have ነው። ስለዚህ has እና have as state verbs ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? አለኝ ማለት ነው። ባለቤትነትን ለማመልከት ነው። has እና have as dynamic verbs ደግሞ ትርጉሙ ምን ማለት ነው? eat ሊሆን ይችላል፣ drink ሊሆን ይችላል፣ experience ሊሆን ይችላል። Okay, let's see some example sentences with have and has when they are used as dynamic verbs. For example, you can say I am having my lunch. That means, what does it mean? It is possible to say I am having my lunch, but what does it mean? That means I am eating my lunch. In addition, you can say Gideon is having a glass of water. What does it mean? That means Gideon is drinking a glass of water. In addition to that, you can say we are having a good time. That means you are experiencing a good time. ስለዚህ have ላይ ing ጨምራችሁ የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ትርጉሙ ወደ ምን ይቀየርባችኋል? ወደ መብላት ወይንም ወደ መጠጣት ወይንም ደግሞ ወደ experiencing ይቀየርባችኋል ማለት ነው። Okay, I am done. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.